If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The quick export in Photoshop saves a copy of the current file according to the export preferences you set in the Preferences dialog box. To use the quick export feature in Photoshop, select File, Export, Quick Export as File Type from the menu bar, where File Type is the type of file you selected in the export preferences, as discussed in the previous lesson titled How to Set Export Preferences in Photoshop. Depending on your export preferences, you may then need to save the selected file type by using a Save As dialog box that appears. Alternatively, the selected type of file is immediately saved to a folder of the same name as the original file, followed by the word "-assets" within the same folder as the original file. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.